Hello students, my name is Manpreet Singh. I will bring a lecture on electronic ignition system of automobile engineering subject for mechanical branch. Let's first study the components of electronic ignition system. This is armature. This is called armature. Pickup coil. This is the part of the armature. Pickup coil is the part of the armature. Next is the battery. Next is electronic ignition module. In short form, we write this EIM. Coil winding. This is the coil winding. As we know that it consists of two windings, primary plus secondary. Next is the distributor. This is the distributor. And last one is the spark plug. This is the spark plug. Here this figure shows the beaker point type ignition system. The main difference between beaker point type ignition system and electronic type ignition system is that this beaker this beaker is replaced with the armature, replaced by the armature. Rest of the things are same. In beaker point there is a distributor. In electronic there is a distributor, spark plugs, coil winding, battery, ignition. ठीक है, बाकी rest of the things are same. The only difference is that beaker is replaced with the armature. Next, this is the figure of electronic ignition system. Here this electronic ignition system is joined with the pick point pick point coil. When the current is on, when the current is on with the help of battery, and this current passes through the current passes through the EIM, and this current passes through EIM then to this coil winding. This is called primary circuit, primary winding. And this winding and current flows to again passes to EIM. The main working of the armature is that when this rotating wheel rotates, it is provided with the tooth. When this tooth comes in front of this pick point, they sends the voltage signal. They sends the voltage signal to electronic ignition module, and they stops the flow of current to the coil winding. Then when this tooth passes away from this point pickup point, then again current is flow. Due to this, a magnetic field is created. A magnetic field is created, and number of repetitions give a induced EMF, and this induced EMF passes through this secondary winding, which is connected to the distributor, passes through this secondary winding which is connected to the distributor, and this distributor is provided this rotating arm. When the rotating arm comes in front of these terminals, it passes the voltage jumps from the rotating arm to the terminals, and this uh, voltage passes through the spark plug, and spark is created, and the engine and fuel of the engine burns, and engine is kept moving on. This repeated number of times for this operation, and this is called armature. I will explain armature. This is pickup point. Okay, this is battery, EIM, coil winding, secondary winding connected to the distributor, and primary winding connected to the EIM, and distributor is provided with the rotating arm, rotating arm and distributor connected to the spark plugs with the help of high tension cables. High tension cables, and this is the spark plug. Okay, the working is very simple, and I will provide it as there is some another. Now let us discuss about some details of the spark plug. A spark plug is consist of three parts. Number one is the insulator. Central part is called the central electrode, and last part is called ground electrode. Current is passes through this through insulator to the central electrode to the ground electrode, and spark is created. ठीक है, ये मैंने कुछ वर्किंग दी हुई है, आप इसको अपनी कॉपी पर उतार लेना, ठीक है, और इसको याद भी कर लेना, ये पेपर में भी आ सकता है. And if you have any problem you can call me, I will explain you if you have any problem. Okay, thank you, stay home, stay safe.